Hey YouTube, it's Annikowski, the director of Goober Media, and I'd just like to thank you guys for watching our video, Capture the Bag. In fact, the beanbag that we used in this video was a Gigantor beanbag from our friends at Sumo Lounge. Super awesome beanbag store. Their website will be linked down in the description below, or you can check it out by clicking right here. And they're very high quality, as you can probably tell, and they're insanely comfortable. So I highly recommend that you guys go check out Sumo Lounge. You can find these beanbags there. This one's a Gigantor, as I already said. Pretty sure it's like their medium-sized beanbags. They can get a lot smaller or a lot bigger. They also have these really cool beanbag chairs called the Sway Couple. It's like beanbags, except it's more of a chair shaped. So those are pretty neat too. And as always, people of Goober Media, have a nice